Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make hundreds of Robux per hour. So making hundreds of Robux per hour on Roblox requires a smart strategy, and there's no instant get rich quick method, but with the right approach, you can earn steady Robux through game development, trading, and also creative work. And this is how you can do it. First, you can create and sell clothing. It is easy and fast. So it is best for beginners. So how it works, you can just design and sell shirts, pants, and t-shirts in the avatar shop or groups. And you can earn 5 to 100 Robux per sales after the Roblox tax. And to start it, you can just go to the create page. You can go to the Roblox create page and select shirts, pants, or t-shirts and upload your design. And you can set a price, but it is best for you to set it from 5 to 10 Robux for fast sales, and promote your items in groups, Discord servers, or TikTok. You can use Canva or Photopea to design trendy outfits, sell through a group to avoid a 30% fee and pay group members. And the second one, you can create a game and monetize it, and it is based for long-term earnings. So it might be your passive Robux income. So if you create a popular game, you can earn thousands of Robux per day through game passes and dev products, premium payouts, and in-game ads and sponsorships. And to start, you can just learn the Roblox Studio. You can use a free YouTube tutorials, create a simple game such as Obi, Tycoon, Roleplay, and others, and add monetizations such as game passes, VIP perks, or skins. And you can advertise with 500 until 2000 Robux to boost early players. And you can partner with scripter or builder if you are new to coding. You can use AI tools to help you generate game ideas faster. The third one, you can flip limited and trade, and this is fast money. It is paid for players with Robux to invest. You can buy limited items at low prices and resell them higher, and use Rolliments.com to track profitable trades. So you can get the Roblox Premium first, and then you can just buy low demand limited when prices drop and sell when the demand spikes. And you can use thread hangouts to find deals. Look for hype UGC limiteds. The next one, you can work as a developer, freelancing for Robux. So it is based for artists, scripters, and builders. You can earn Robux hourly by working for game creators in building, such as map, houses, cities, scripting, coding mechanics, AI system, UI design such as game menus, icon, and thumbnails, and GFX, or you can create game cover images, clothing renders, and logos. And you can find the jobs in Dev Forum, Talent Hub, or Discord Dev servers. Lastly, you can join and win game challenges, free Robux from events. So Roblox hosts event where you can win exclusive UGC items and sell them for Robux. For example, you can there are Amazon collabs, sponsor challenges, and egg hunts. So you can just follow the Roblox Event Hunter on Twitter for event alerts, join the events, and green for free UGC items, and then sell the UGC limiteds when prices peak for easy profit. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.